Good morning, guys. So this is Manoj from Market Ideas for Profit. This is the 17th of November. We're about 7:45 in the morning, and I'm trying to analyze the Bank Nifty moves for the day today. So let's look at the chart and let's see what's going to happen. So I have been marking these ranges, the support and the resistance in the last 2-3 sessions, and we've been playing within that range. And what we see is that we have seen an upward move in the Bank Nifty over the last day. So we had a balance somewhere in this area, and now we moved higher. But so what we can do is we can build a balance for this area first. So this would be the balance for this area, and which gives us the balance area somewhere between 42,180 to 42,350. This was the previous balance, and we moved out of that balance, and now we are seeing that we are in an area which is above the balance. So we could look at the profile which we have above the balance, and there we see that we are creating some new balance in an area which is from 42,480 to 42,614, and we did face some resistance yesterday at the resistance level of 42,693 or 700, and we have traveled back into the value area. So now we could look at what is going to be the scenario today, and how we can build an analysis to how we can plan our day to make trades on the Bank Nifty. So there could be 2-3 probabilities. We could play a sideways move, we could break down, or we could go higher. These are the 3 probabilities on the day that can happen. And given that the Bank Nifty is stronger than the Nifty, we're seeing the SGX open a slight bit lower today, around the 18,400 odd area, and we could see a sideways move in the Bank Nifty too. So given that scenario, I would expect the Nifty to open somewhere around the value area low, and then give us a sideways move through the day in this area if we are seeing a sideways move, a sideways day. This could be the first probability of the Bank Nifty in the day. So we could move sideways within this broad range of 42,470 to 42,700. That is a 230 point move, and we could be doing back and forth in this area. What could be the other probabilities? Suppose we have a day which is on the weaker side, then we could open lower. Maybe somewhere here, and we could go back and test the point of control of the previous area, which also happens to be the support at 42,300, and probably have a little bounce from there, and then if at all go down and test the lows of the value area, which is around the 42,175 areas. This could be the second probability of the day. If we break down today, this could be something that we could do, and if we break lower, then we could test 42,000 also. This could be the second probability of the day. And the third probability is we could act stronger for the day. So we could open slightly lower and open at the value area low, which is around the 42,480, 500 levels. We could then travel higher and test the last high of 42,690 odd, and then go back to the point of control of what we had yesterday, or the value area high, as in the case may be, and then head higher and break this level, and then try and break to the higher areas, which eventually could take us to the 43,000 level in a day or two. This could be the scenario if we look at the trajectory that we've been following with the Bank Nifty as it's getting higher on a daily basis. So these are the 3 probabilities that we could have through the day, and I expect the Bank Nifty to behave in one of these 3 possibilities. Hopefully you can, looking at this analysis and what you see on the chart, you can trace your levels and enter and exit as per the analysis that I have given here. Thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe if you feel that we have added some value to your trading for the day. Thank you.